Hello. Okay, in this video, I have this pile of cards here that I wrote while I was traveling, and they have been shuffled and no longer have a particular order because they were in my luggage and they were moving around while I was coming back. Anyways, I have filed some of these cards into my internet, but not all of them. And so in this video, I'm going to file, let's say, two more. I'll just file, or two or three, let's say three. I'll file the top three cards from this stack into my internet just so you can see what that process looks like when I am simply adding to a thought that already exists instead of developing a completely new branch. Okay, first card. If you only have a hammer, everything looks like a nail. I only have transformers. I need to learn more tools and methods for modifying, classifying, interpreting, and rating text. Then I can assemble a curriculum. So, I am no longer making a personal assistant, but a highly curated feed of resources related to your current project. Okay. Now, here's my index. I already know where I'm going, though. I know that 3251 is my neuroevolution branch, but Muse is actually 3251.8. So it should be right here. And I don't know if you recognize this from the paper towel sketch video, but it is folded up and put right here. And I also have this card. As I said, I've just been thinking about this wrong. I'm just making a souped up Alexa. Alexa is useless. Souped up Alexa will just be souped up uselessness. So then, I guess I could probably either file that card behind this or behind this sketch. And I'm thinking it'll be behind the sketch because the sketch is using transformers. Actually, no, I'll put it in front of it. And so that'll be 8C1 because this one is 8D. I want to put a card between them. So this will be 3251.8C1. Three, 2, 5, 1.8C1. I can file that between here. Okay, next is my current streams of information are, and then it just lists a bunch of stuff. And that's once again related to the recommendation algorithm. And I think either I can put it behind this card. No. Behind this card, there's actually something else. There's another card in this stack that I think makes more sense to put there. Let me just find it. It's something along the lines of, it's a list of tasks that I actually want help with. There it is. Bam. Okay. And so, here's this. Cats are making noise. Oh my goodness. There's this card, which I think would make sense to go here, because what I need to figure out is what tasks I actually want help on and implement those. And that is a list of tasks I want help with. But I just made HC1, but there's a very simple fix for this. This card's address will be 3251.8C0. I can file that there. And then the next two cards follow quite neatly because it's about the patterns from these tasks and then a takeaway from those patterns. And so, let's see, I just made 8C0. So this one will be 8C0A. This one will be 8C0B. right? Yes. Dot 8C 0A and 3251 dot 8C 0. Why did I put a 1? That should be a B. Saved it. File those two between the 0 and the 1. So that's the 1. This is the 0. And so I want to put these two right in between. But that's difficult to do with one hand. Okay, and the last one I'll file in this video is vectors. In the context of machine learning, you can think of vectors simply being a list of numbers. Okay, this one's easy. I actually have a machine learning branch that I just recently created, but I don't remember where it is. So let's go M, machine learning 4235. So that should be up here. Cryptography a bit further. 4225. I think it's these blue cards. 4235. Yeah. Regressive models. Okay. That would be in machine learning. So I guess that'll be 4235.3 would be vectors. I also have a math branch though, which I also forget where it is. Mathematics 4100. Do I have a better card in there? Mathematics. Oh, these are old because they're little cards. Any application outside of mathematics? Okay. It could go inside pure mathematics 4110.1. But I do directly mention machine learning. I guess what I will do, I think I will put it behind mathematics, but I'll just underline the machine learning in green to tell me to go look at my index. Machine learning, and then that'll be the first card in pure mathematics, so 4110.1. 4110.1. File that in there. Awesome. All right, so that's how you file cards in existing branches of your antenna. You just find the best spot, and actually, let me go add an index entry in here so I don't forget where it is on vectors. Dot, and then vector, and then arrow to, what was the address? 4100.1. 4110.1. 4110.1. Put that back in here. There's one more place I want to put that address. I'm going to put it in my collective card for machine learning, because vectors are very correlated to machine learning. they will exist in a different section. Vectors. Because I'll probably have more notes on this when I end up taking a calculus class. So it was 4, 1, 1, 0, dot 1. Okay. So that's how you add cards to existing branches within your AntenNet. You just find the relevant cards, add it behind it, and that's it. Yeah, hope you found this useful.